Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena. We are warm and toasty by the fire, but we're about to turn down the temperature and make a frosty raspberry lemonade in under 3 minutes. We have half of a cup of coconut non-dairy ice cream, 1 cup of water, one-third of a cup of lemonade concentrate, and 6 ounces of fresh raspberries. Well, Mr. Cameraman said the lemonade flavor wasn't strong enough, so we just put in a couple more tablespoons of this, swirl it around, check in next week to see how I made this lemonade concentrate. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.